here we have the Cyclemaster, an engine that used to be fitted, or still fitted, to the rear wheel of a bicycle. Let's take you a trip round the Cyclemaster. First of all, the seating arrangements. Seating is accomplished by a Middlemore saddle, made in Coventry, right in the town centre. Later they moved out to Tile Hill. Super sprung, real genuine leather, and very, very comfortable. Controls. An accelerator. This control controls the speed of the bicycle in a forward direction. Stopping and starting, there's a clutch. I'll find it. Simple lever, release the clutch and you drive forward. Pedals, in case the thing breaks down, you'll get home, although probably a little tired. Engine, petrol, on off, pull on, push off, tickling stick, little bit of curtain wire which you pull 5 times to fill a little reservoir, can never flood, spark plug, magneto inside that cover, exhaust pipe. Lighting, rear light over the number plate, and a very special front light, the old Lucas, but in this case we have a simple pull on motion and we have a strobe for safety. And that's just a quick tour around UKT 381. Happy motoring.